Daring leadership is ultimately about serving other people, not ourselves. And that's the thing with women, we're really good at doing that, right? So we tend to pour in to other people and we forget to pour into ourselves. So I'm very grateful each and every one of you decided to invest in yourselves today.
I really enjoyed Women's Mastermind today. This is the second time I've been to one. I brought with me 12 like-minded women out of my database. I was a little worried that it was going to be all geared toward real estate, and it wasn't. There was something for everybody. I had women from all industries with me today, and it was about empowering women, encouraging each other, and surrounding yourself with like-minded people.
That's not exciting. People don't get inspired by that. That's why you're not getting the people that you want. I don't really care how people prospect as long as they get it done. So if you don't have your unique value proposition, you should have it. And it doesn't have to be like, people say to me, well, Sheena, I'm not the top agent in my brokerage. I can't use that. You still have like a lot of qualities that I do not have.
I wanted to help people of all ages learn how they can have a positive mindset and meet their goals that they want to meet. Other parts of the book are about pushing yourself to its limits and reaching your goals and believing in yourself in ways that you didn't know that you could, but also realizing what's in front of you.
So one of the things that I loved hearing and needed to be reminded of was a panelist at the end commented that she is not spending all of her time working at improving her weaknesses, but instead she is leveraging other people to do the things she's not good at, and she is just diving headfirst into the things that she's really good at.
We just finished our first Women's Mastermind, and I could love nothing more than being in this beautiful location filled with empowering women. It was just the best day, and I can't wait for the next one.